Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll show you how to pair the Fit Pro Power B121 True Wireless Earbuds with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that the device is properly charged and that you read through the user manual to understand all the features that it has and how to operate the device properly. Next, to initiate the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Next, open the charging case and pull the devices out. Doing so immediately initiates the pairing process if this is the first time that you're opening the device. On your smartphone, open the Bluetooth settings panel and tap on refresh. You can see that the truke Fit Pro Power has now appeared in the list of available devices. Tap on the name. Your phone will now give you a confirmation prompt. Tap on pair. And you're done. You can see that the device is now paired and the codec that is active is SBC. So that's how you pair the truke Fit Pro Power True Wireless Earbuds with your Android smartphone device. Thank you for watching.